everyone! Good morning! My name is Alice Dewitt and today is October 24th, 2020. And first of all, I would like to thank you all for all your kindness, for your love, and for your support. And for joining me also watching this video today. Today I would like to ask, before we start, the topic that I chose, to pray some prayers. I like to ask your prayers for Dave. Dave is Sherry's husband, and remember that a few days ago I introduced her and her channel, which is Cooking with Sherry, Sherry, and her husband Dave. He has a very cool channel. He does reviews of remote control little cars and RVs and things about RVs, and also I didn't know, but he does also with droids, and I am interested in that, droids. I didn't see much about the droids, but yeah, I am interested in the droids because they are so cool, aren't they? They go, you put a camera and then you can take an overview from the top, and yeah, that's very cool. So his YouTube channel is RC, from remote control, RC ModSquad, 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 RC ModSquad. And he fell from a tree, and yesterday they were in the emergency room. So I do hope her tone on her message was nothing alarming, but we never know. I don't know. I didn't hear her voice, so I don't know if she is very quiet, sweet lady, so she might just had said that, like, oh, he's just doing few how do you say, necessary exams and tests, but yeah, she sounds like very not alarming. But praying is such a powerful thing, so I would like to ask your support also to pray for Dave. And I would like to thank you in advance for that. And since we are talking about praying and having faith and trust in God, because when we pray, we put ourselves in God's hand. And this is how we should walk in life. But I have to confess that most of the time I think that I am independent, and I am separate. Well, I have God here and I am here. I am not united. Yes, I have to confess that. Most of the time that's how I think. And then, but we are all one. It's just an illusion that we are separate. And walking with, aligned with God, and aligned with this vision and this sense that we are all one. There is no separation between me and you and her and him. We are all one. and we are all connected in that way. So since I have this leg, and I just wanted to talk about that and share a very good analogy about keeping this faith and trust and this alignment with God and with others. So this analogy goes like this. We have a bicycle, and we just jump into the bicycle, and then we pedal, and then we move on. That's how life can be seen. And from time to time, some stick or something, a garbage or something, get stuck in the wheel of the bicycle. And every time that happens, our pace in our bicycle, in our ride, goes slower, and we have two choices. We can keep going on bicycle and moving on, and that's not a very good option because it's gonna be breaking eventually the wheel of the bicycle, right? Or we can stop, get out of the bicycle, reach that stick, toss it, go back, and keep moving. And but sometimes we think that we are in a hurry, and that stop will be too long, and we cannot wait for that. So we just try to go and hoping that that stick will fall off by itself. Yeah, that's how I see myself thinking in this analogy. Because it happened many times, and I did that of just trying to go and hoping that it will go away by itself. And of course it didn't. So it's just better to just stop and take your time to take that thing out and keep moving in a more safer way. And this analogy I saw, and it was an analogy with the fear. And I thought that it was a very good analogy also for keeping with the faith and trust in God. Because many times when we just have that doubt, I have many doubts. I don't think this is gonna happen. I think maybe God is busy looking after other people, so he's taking his time to look after us here. I thought about that, and when that happens, our faith and our trust gives us a bad result, and it is not good having this kind of reaction and lowering our trust in God. And this analogy of the bicycle and the stick is a very good thing, because whenever we have this weakness in the faith or in trust, we can just remember the bicycle and the stick and take care of it. I found that it can be very practical, very functional for myself, and I thought it could be for you too. And this is my sharing for today. And since we are talking about trust, and taking out our worry and our weakness and our doubts from out of our chest is good for us. And when we laugh, we can just take that out and bring in good energy, more positive, more a stronger feeling. That's why I started this laughter club, to have the positive energy, the good feeling in, and taking out the doubts or weakness that we all have, most of us have, during our day. So, shall we start our session today? Thank you so much for joining me today in this laughter session. And thank you also for praying for Dave and Sherry. And I would like to extend the praying for everyone on this earth that in whatever stage they are in their lives, to find balance and joy and contentment in their hearts, and find the channel with God and talk with God whenever they want. And I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful day, full of blessings, full of joy, and full of love notes from God. And remember that today, right now, is the best day of your life. Thank you again, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye now. Thank you.